Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope that you're all doing well out there. In this video, I'm going to show you a technique for using chopsticks so that you go from being a complete novice to an expert with just a few minutes of practice. With this method, we're going to be using actual chopsticks straight away rather than starting out with training chopsticks, which I believe are an unnecessary step and don't actually help in learning. If you don't have any chopsticks handy, go and order some food from your local takeaway and ask them to throw in some chopsticks with your order. After learning to use chopsticks, your motor skills will be improved and you will be eating a bowl of pho or whatever your preferred Asian food is as if you'd been doing it your whole life and have a more authentic eating experience. I'm originally from Myanmar, and in Myanmar we traditionally eat rice by using our right hand. Even if you don't eat with your hand for your meal, pretty much everyone has used their fingers to eat snacks. I'm telling you this because it's easier to envision chopsticks as a utensil if you imagine that they are an extension of your thumb and first finger. Now let's begin learning the technique of using chopsticks. To start off with, we're going to begin with holding just one chopstick. Hold it in your hand as if you were holding a pen with your thumb and first finger, like this. Now get comfortable moving it up and down as if you were writing something. When you're comfortable doing that, place the other chopstick in your hand behind the chopstick that you're holding, like this. This chopstick is to remain stationary so that it rests between your fingers. What you do now is move the chopstick that you're holding between your thumb and first finger up and down so that the tip touches the tip of the other chopstick so that it performs a pinching action. And this is the action that you will use to pick up food. Practice this and you will become an expert in no time. Thanks for watching guys, stay safe and see you in the next video.